The hair is 16 inches on this one and it's absolutely gorgeous. This is a 13x6 cap. The lace is already cut. It also comes with pre-bleached knots and it's also cut in the back. So all you have to do is put it on and you instantly have a 3-second install. So I'm just going to put this on. No glue is needed. And as you can see, the hairline, the knots, everything looks like scalp. Even parting it, you can part it any which way you want to. And the hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's so soft actually. All you have to do is just straighten it up and go. There's not a lot of work you have to do to this wig because it's already done. So as you can see, absolutely no glue. Here's the back, so much body, and I just love the density. And if you wanted to, you can switch to a side part. So I'm just gonna do that right now so you all can see what it looks like wearing a side part. Really love how natural this wig look. I'm gonna pull it up for you guys in a second, so stay tuned if you wanna see that. But I just love how easy it is. There's something about the pre-everything wigs that just excite me every time I get one. I'm just like, oh my God, it's so simple.